What's cracking, y'all? Apparently, we got dogs on riding lawnmowers, cutting grass. Let's see what this one's about.
No, I'm not fucking tripping.
Take a picture, buy some.
What the fuck?
That what you probably feel on that was in the drop. I ain't saying that. I ain't having it in my mind. I had that in my body with my parental in it.
Man, Sean, it's a dog on the fucking riding lawnmower cutting the fucking grass.
I heard you. That's why I said take a fucking picture.
I got a video of this shit.
I need a fucking laugh right now. I think I'm losing my motherfucking mind, son.
No, I'm not fucking tripping.
Take a picture, my son. Take a picture.
Oh my God, there's so much to get into. I'm crying. There's a lot to unpack here. I'm looking at the I'm looking at the dog's face. Oh God, I got the hiccups. The dog looking back at him like, "Can I help you?" You ain't never seen a dog mow his lawn before? The way when the lawnmower is turning, the dog keeps his head snapped back like. Oh man. Oh man. I don't know what you're looking at, buddy. You ain't never seen somebody mow their lawn before? And I feel like the guy recording, he's like, am I high right now? What did they roll up in his blunt? What did they lace this with? I know I ain't tripping. And whoever he on the phone with, she just going on, and he is zoned out. He's trying to process this dog. And he is zoned out. I don't even know. She just babbling, bro. I gotta watch that again. That's funny. I got the hiccups, man. Oh God.
What the fuck?
And that what you probably feel on that was in the drop. I ain't saying that because I ain't having it in my mind.
Look, I can't rewind. I'm watching this from Instagram. I can't rewind. There's another dog on the other side of the fence, just looking like you done mowing the lawn yet? Lunch is ready. Oh snap!
I had that in my body with my parental in it.
Man, Sean, it's a dog on the fucking riding lawnmower cutting the fucking grass.
I heard you. That's why I said take a fucking picture.
I got a video of this shit.
I need a fucking laugh right now. I think I'm losing my motherfucking mind, son.
No, I'm not fucking tripping.
Oh my God. Oh. Yo, she sound like she from New Orleans. The lady on the phone. I knew it, baby. Go down to the bayou, baby. I bring you over, give you some water. Bro, hold on, man. What? I'm trying to see what she's talking about. There's so much going on. Let me see what she is saying on the phone, because she sounds like she tripping right now. She sounds like she going through all of it right now.
Take a picture, bye, Sean. Take a picture and send it to me.
What the fuck?
Sit down and calm the fuck down. And that what you probably feel on devils in the drop. I ain't take that because I ain't have it in my body. I had that in my body with my forensics in it.
What the fuck?
Man, Sean, it's a dog on the fucking riding lawnmower cutting the fucking grass.
I heard you. That's why I said take a fucking picture.
I got a video of this shit.
I need a fucking laugh right now. I think I'm losing my motherfucking mind, son.
No, I'm not fucking tripping.
I have no clue what this woman is saying. I was maybe able to pick out one out of every 5 or 6 words. I have no idea what the hell she's talking about. Furthermore, is both of their names Sean? Is Sean talking to Sean on the phone? Is her name Sean? Because he referred to her as Sean. And then she was like, Sean, I'm losing my fucking head, or something like that. I'm losing my head, Sean, unless she was like talking to herself. Because some people do that, like, oh man, I'm losing it, boo, boo, get it together. But unless it was like that, both of these fools named Sean, got a dog riding a lawnmower, he don't know if he tripping or not. She going through a whole life event, got a whole dog on the other side of the fence. Oh man, where that dog snap his neck back. Said, can I help you? Why are you still here? Get off my property. Oh man, that's crazy. Woo! That is the real definition. That is the real definition of a what do they call those? Service animal. That is a real definition of a service animal. That, sir, is a service animal. Lawn service. Can't beat the rates, man. Can't beat it. He ain't charging you, $90 a month. He ain't charging you anything like that. No. All he needs is 10 milk bones per cut. 10 milk bones, get your whole lawn cut. He might even weed whack too. The whole 9. Have your lawn looking pristine. Not so bad. Oh man, that's funny. But I got a good laugh out of that. Whoever got their dog up there crazy, man. Got people tripping. Obviously, it's remote controlled. But that's still hilarious, man. Oh, man. That person has got to put up a... like some type of hidden camera somewhere. Or maybe the doorbell camera catches some of that just to get everybody's reaction. People slowing down their vehicles. But that's gold. That's gold. That's comedy. Oh, man. Sound off in the comment section. That's a wrap for today's episode. I appreciate each and every one of you for stepping in, showing your love, showing your support, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Now, I could sit here and smack you all around with the generic like, comment, subscribe BS, but nobody gives a damn about that. So do whatever the hell you want to do, because you're going to do it anyway. Now, I'm going to give you, to the count of 10, to get your ugly, yellow, no good keister off my property before I pump your guts full of lead. I am Boo, and I am out.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.